A wood cornice is a beautiful addition to your window treatment. In this video, we'll show you how to measure and order the right size cornice for your window treatment. First, take a look at the measuring guide available on our website and make sure you have everything you need. For a fully recessed window treatment, the cornice width is determined by the treatment width, but use the chart in the measuring guide to see if your window is deep enough for the blind or shade and cornice. If you're ordering a wood cornice along with an outside mount window treatment, we have the measurements we need. But if you're ordering a cornice separately for an outside mount treatment, or for a partially recessed inside mount treatment, there are a couple of steps to follow. First, measure the necessary width so that the cornice can be mounted to the wall outside of the window molding. Next, measure the distance from the mounting surface to the outside of the furthest extending part of the window treatment. Add a minimum of 1 inch, and record that as your special return length. That's it. You're done. If you had any trouble following these steps, or need to know how to mount and care for your new cornice, visit our website. The Window Covering Safety Council recommends cordless window coverings that are certified best for kids.